You might think you're the world's best chicken parent. And hey, maybe you are. But there are a few things many of us do, even with the best intentions, that drive our chickens absolutely crazy. Today, I'm diving into the top 10 things chicken owners do that their chickens secretly hate. And trust me, your flock will thank you for listening. Now, chickens may not speak our language, but believe me, they communicate loud and clear if you pay attention. Body language, behavior changes, even egg production. All these can give clues when they're unhappy. Sometimes we don't realize that things we do for convenience or out of love might actually be stressing them out. First, let's talk about handling. We love to cuddle them, pick them up, show them off to friends, but most chickens, not fans. Constant handling makes many feel vulnerable. Sure, some breeds like Silkies or Orpingtons might tolerate it, but for many, especially Isa Browns, Barred Rocks, or Leghorns, being grabbed is a no-go. Instead, let them approach you on their terms. You'll build trust much faster that way. Next up, cleaning the coop. Sounds like a good thing, right? Clean coop equals happy chickens? Well, mostly. But if you're constantly rearranging their space, moving nesting boxes, or switching up bedding types, your chickens might start to stress. They love routine and familiarity. Too much change too fast can throw them off, even affect their laying. Artificial lighting is another one. We want those eggs all winter long, so we add lights. But too much artificial light, especially at night, messes with their natural rhythms. Chickens need darkness to rest and reset. Overlighting can lead to poor health, aggression, even feather picking. Food is another tricky area. We love to treat our birds. Kitchen scraps, scratch grains, bread, fruits. But too many treats can lead to nutritional imbalances, obesity, and even egg-laying issues. What they really need is a balanced, high-protein layer feed, with treats only as an occasional bonus. Adding new chickens to your flock? That can trigger serious drama. Chickens are highly territorial, and every new bird means a shift in the pecking order. Tossing new birds straight into the coop without a slow, safe introduction is a recipe for bullying and injury. Believe it or not, chickens aren't huge fans of loud noises. Kids yelling, barking dogs, loud lawn equipment, it can all spike their stress levels. Chronic noise stress can actually suppress egg production and cause health issues over time. And then there's space. Overcrowding is one of the fastest ways to create an unhappy flock. They need room to roam, scratch, dust bathe, and establish their personal space. Cramped conditions lead to feather pecking, aggression, and disease spread. Don't underestimate their love for a good dust bath. Chickens hate when they don't have dry, loose dirt to roll around in. It's not just fun. It's how they keep parasites at bay. A muddy, poorly drained run without dusting areas? That's pure misery for your flock. Finally, simply not paying attention. Chickens tell you when something's wrong. They'll stop laying, isolate themselves, develop bald patches, or vocalize differently. Learning to read their cues makes you a better chicken keeper and keeps your flock happy and productive. See? Even with the best intentions, it's easy to do things your chickens secretly hate. But with a few small adjustments, you'll have a much happier, healthier flock. And likely a lot more eggs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow chicken lovers. Drop a comment below. What's something you've done that you didn't realize stressed your chickens out? Let's help each other out.